This is the S&P 500 Spider ETF SPY one-day reading for July 23rd, 2024. It's currently June 11th, 2024, 10:06 p.m. Eastern Time. SPY at the time of this reading is $536.95. That's USD. The shuffle video for the July 23rd reading was created on May 23rd, 2024 at 11:26 p.m. Eastern Time. That's a video playing for you in the lower left corner. The overall theme of behavior for SPY on the 23rd, we have that Princess of Swords price level that's highlighted. It's very likely it's the same price level as the prior day's Princess of Swords. Let's take a look and see. Yeah, same. It's a Princess of Swords price level that's highlighted again. So we should see a lot of price change to and from and back to, I should say, that price level, that resistance price level. The high side for the day, we have a period of sideways rotation that ends with a fast move higher, taking us into the high. Behavior around the low, so we have a nullified abundance card. So usually there's some sort of like peak within close time proximity to the low. However, it's nullified, so it's a little difficult to read what that entails at this early in the reading. I'm advised to trade around 3 crisscrosses back and forth to the same price level. In the midst of that, there's some sort of confirming of a bullish trend with a move to the upside. A lot of cross-reading congruencies here at the beginning of the day. The whole purpose of the channel is to transmute some of the competitive energy of the stock market into goodwill. We do that by following the rule of karma for the channel. You go to the resources tab of our website, Tarot for Traders, and 5% of the profits from every profitable trade utilizing this information should be donated forward to one of these charities, or pick a charity of your choosing as long as you're paying 5% forward, and then 5% should be sent back to the channel through one of these links. If you're international, you can use Wise or you can use YouTube tips, and that leaves you at 90%. Make sure to spend that 90% out of love. As long as you follow those rules, you follow the rule of karma for the channel, the universe considers you an angel investor. It's going to send it back to you tenfold for following through. Blessings to all my angel investors. Let's get back into it. And so it looks like we open lower, and there's this move to the upside, like a big move to the upside at the open, pushing the upper end of a range higher and taking us to a high. But that's followed by a sharp drop, this universal hexagram drop to a low. We have a low for the day somewhere between 10 and 11, probably closer to 10 and 11. And out of that decline into the low, there's an opportunity to open up a long position. Okay, so this Princess of Swords here, this price level, you could open up a short position on the 22nd, and you'd close that short position here at the low, or probably a little bit just after 10, opening up a long position at that same time. After this low that we have here, just after 10 o'clock, there's a notable move to the upside, taking us into a peak probably just before noontime, but that's within a period of volatility and some back and forth price swings. From the noontime peak, there's a decline, so we rally to the noontime peak, and then we have like a full retracement back to there's like a move here from a trough that's higher than the lowest low trough, but there's a trough here just before noontime, move to the upside to a peak, and then a retracement back to that same price level as that trough. Out of that second visiting of that price level, that second trough there, which would be a little bit before 1 o'clock, we should have a notable move back to the upside with like a breakout in it. Pretty mixed behavior between 1 and 3 o'clock, but at some point between 2 and 3 o'clock, out of a trough, there's a big move higher, taking us to a brief peak in the last hour. That's easily missed, followed by a decline through multiple support levels. That price level, that brief peak, should be at the same price level as that Princess of Swords. It's the Princess of Swords price level. Yeah, so I think probably we decline from the peak, return to a peak, decline again, and return to the peak again here at the close, and that's that same Princess of Swords price level. Pop and drop around the close. And then we should have a movement to the upside in the post-market and or overnight. Unexpected move higher as the sneak preview for the 24th. That's SPY for July 23rd, 2024. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. As always, make sure to follow that rule of karma. You know where to go. You know what to do. Blessing to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one.